Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Buckeye number N-1HP-10. This is a 10-pack of their one flow point high proximity nozzle. And the flow point has everything to do with how many nozzles are in a system, how big the cylinder is related to that as well. And when you buy one, you're buying a pack of 10. So be mindful of that. This is a high proximity model. We'll have a rubber blow-off cap that's here. That's what the end of it looks like. Kitchen mister fire suppression system part. And this will include a band identification. That's obviously blue, which is going to tell whomever is looking at this that it's a N-1HP, a single flow point. Need to make sure that you are installing the proper nozzles, of course, for the application. I'm not an expert at all when it comes to fire suppression system, but nozzles, based on scope and size of the system, based on what you're covering, are all directly related to each other. There's a link below this video to a document called Nozzle Coverage Summary Table. That is incredibly helpful because it will reinforce what I just said about what nozzle you'll be using. N-1HP is what we've got here, and if you look into the column under the nozzle, you'll see where the different nozzles come into play and what it is that you are covering with them. Application, its coverage expressed in centimeters. The nozzle type, the band that will be related. The flow point, the nozzle height in terms of where they want to see it above the area. Placement, anywhere over hazard area, over the center of the appliance. Incredibly helpful chart to be able to get you to know what direction you're going in. There's also a link to the product catalog, which is handy because you can not only review all of the Buckeye material that's there naturally, but you'll be able to take a closer look at their discharge nozzles, a summary of a typical system, the primary components of it. Okay, and that would be buried in there. You could do a find function on your keyboard for nozzle, and you'll find where all that is listed. Let's get some dimensional properties of the item, just for the sake of doing it. Overall, about 1 5/8 inches. Okay, rubber blow-off cap. Rubber blow-off caps are available as separate items as well. They are certainly maintenance issues, certainly in the event of a system actuation. But they do fatigue, I suppose, with time. Inspector is going to be looking to make sure that you've got a healthy blow-off cap installed. That's obviously required by code. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Buckeye products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on this 10-pack of the N-1HP-10 one flow point high proximity nozzle, or any other Buckeye product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.